light is also really, really bright. I'm gonna be reading notes off my laptop for this video. It's essentially just gonna be on why I'm doing YouTube. It's gonna be really quick, probably not gonna be more than 5 minutes, I hope, because I do like to ramble. But first reason why I'm doing YouTube is tech. People say that I know a lot about tech. I like people making the right choices about tech, and I enjoy working in tech. People say I can be like MKBHD.
What's up guys, MKBHD here.
Even though that guy has 10 million subs. That sounds so crazy to say out loud, but that is insane, really. Second reason of why I'm doing YouTube is finances. I really enjoy teaching people and being knowledgeable about their finances, and I feel like I can help even more people doing it over the internet. Point number 3 on why I'm doing YouTube is, as cheesy as this sounds, I want to grow. I want to grow more as a person and be comfortable on who I am, as well as speaking. And essentially I want to use YouTube to document my journey along the way. So 5 years down the line, if I'm like super successful and I can look back 5 years at my first video like this and be like, wow, I've changed so much. So that's another reason why I'm doing YouTube. I used to write a lot when I was a kid, and I still write to this day, physically on like a piece of paper, and also in typing documents all day, stories, just my thoughts. And I've decided that at least for 2020 and above, to not only write but speak out my thoughts and vocalize them, because it really is different when you speak out your thoughts instead of writing them down all the time, and I want to be better at that. And this does not mean I'm doing vlogs, trust me, not ready for vlogs yet. Point number 4 is a combination of the first two. This one's also going to be a little bit cheesy, but I really do enjoy helping people, but I want to help more than my close friends and their friends and my family. I want to have a cascading effect, and I want to be able to reach more people. And the only way to do that, I realize, is making videos, and YouTube is just a platform that I can use to reach more people. So instead of just talking to people physically all the time, I want to make videos, spread it out to the world, and essentially I want to help the world get better at tech and finances, and just growing as a person. Bold statement, I know, but it's just personal choice of mine. So the schedule for this channel: first, tech videos. I'll try my best to do a tech video once or twice a week. Finance videos, I will try to do those once or twice a week. And then growing personal videos, probably do those like once a week, maybe. I'm still not sure how personal I want to get on YouTube. So right now you can expect 4 to 5 videos from me per week for the whole year of 2020. I'm holding myself to this. I also have a 9-to-5 job. I don't have much time to like film, edit, do all this stuff, but they don't usually take that long. So anything else extra you get, so if you see like 6 videos a week or 7 videos a week, then you know, it's just bonus content for you guys, and it's just me trying harder to grow as a person. So this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you want to see the content. Like the video if you like it. You're gonna get more of these. Not this specifically, but you're gonna get more of the videos that I have planned for the rest of the year. And that's it. Bada bing. Wait, let me go on YouTube real quick and just Google that. How do I even Google bada ding? Oh, I'm so dumb. Just drum. Peace.